As didn't see a bearish S&T, and we have data low below. The wick low.
I got nothing on you, baby. Alrighty. That was a long day yesterday. Is your door open or closed?
Let me check. It's closed, but there's like a witherness of open. So let me see. Look at that. Take care of that. It is now fully closed.
There's another season of Reacher, huh? It's coming out. I don't know when, but yeah, I'm not sure when. Could be in a long time, but I know there's a season 4 in the making.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Muted my mic right before I coughed. Yeah, bro, I was brushing my teeth and I went too back on my tongue. I was coughing like a maniac.
Oh, we got
Alright,
data
well, we've
wicks
been coming
below.
back up. Strong push up.
We have data wicks below, and we have other weekly highs above the one of them more up.
Yeah, we have so many highs at the 30,093. I think that's what we're gonna take out today. What are we, Thursday? Wednesday? Wednesday already. I feel like we were like Thursday or Friday. Yeah, we got a lot of highs above. Wow, look at that 8:30 candle. That for sure murdered people. You know those people who say like put your stop like 20 points above or 30 points above and then go for like 50 or 100 points? The people who decided to go long and got in the long at 20, 30 points ate it.
Yeah, the wick looks brutal.
And it's funny because I just saw a TikTok this morning when I woke up. Actually, last night before I went to bed. If you want to trade that CPI, put your buy stop 30 points above and your sell limit 30 points below.
905. So it would be 15, 25, 35. Yeah, you would get tapped in for a long.
You'd get tapped in for a long, it would go like 20, 30 points in your favor, max, and then you'd get killed. Or it might have been just like a fling, but they weren't going for 30 points. They were probably going for like 90 to 100.
Yeah, but you could have two accounts. Then one of them will pass because the other one you could do one account that goes long and one account that goes short.
Mm-hmm.
So the one that went long would have got triggered and
Mm-hmm.
probably lost because of that wick, and the one that went short probably did good.
Probably. But you never know what it does internally in a candle. A minute is long for one candle for 300 points. You don't know how much it moved. Like back and forth, you know what I mean? Like look where it
Mm.
closed. But yes, the short probably made money.
Are we going for the data wick low? That's the question.
I got nothing on you, baby.
Guess
What
I
a
have the house to
sweep of the high
myself
on
for
the 1
4
hour.
days. That means I have to sleep with the dog for 4 days now.
I'm gonna come see you. I'll probably come sleep at the house Friday, Saturday.
Huh?
I said I'll probably come sleep at the house Friday, Saturday.
But you work. You're gonna bring what, your laptop?
Yeah? 6 to 10. Wow.
Oh, it's true. You have 6 to 10 this week.
Yeah, stop saying that.
Yeah, my bad.
It's like a kid who you gotta
Stop,
repeat the same thing like 89 times a month.
stop saying that.
Stop coloring the walls with the crayons. Stop coloring the walls with the crayons.
Well, that's completely different. We have these discussions every day.
Bro, I'm telling you, there's always an excuse. It's insane.
You're the one who mentioned it first. You literally said, "Oh, da, da, da."
I just said I'm gonna come sleep over.
Yeah," but then I said
You know.
Friday and Saturday. And you said, "Oh, 6 to 10."
Yeah, you're right. That's how the conversation went.
You did say that. "Oh, 6 to 10."
Yeah, you asked. You said, "Don't you work?" Why are you lying? Anyways, whatever. It's okay. Big deal. Just move on.
Yeah, it's no big deal, anyways. I don't even know why you hate. You don't like that.
Okay, but it doesn't matter. I don't like it, so just stop mentioning it. That's it.
Ever
Tired. I
watched
didn't
the
sleep
show
too well.
Lioness? You know, there's a new season. I heard.
I watched a little bit of it. I couldn't get hooked at all.
Oh, you should be going live like at 9:15 in the morning. No one goes live after 9:30.
Yeah, yeah. I just gotta start waking up even earlier. Start waking up at 8. I don't know where we could be going. I feel like the previous week high is the most obvious target.
Well, obviously the data week low. That's the cleanest draw for now. So funny. After the both, we went to Poker Playground to eat. We ate at the rail.
Yeah, it was good.
Yeah, I had a club sandwich. It was actually pretty good. The
So,
chicken was well seasoned and juicy, and
It's always pretty
It
good
was
there, I'm
good.
telling you.
Fries were pretty good too.
Good morning, TA.
Everything came warm. Everything tasted fresh. So no complaints. Damon gets up, just goes and puts $200 on a blackjack hand, wins it, and leaves.
He actually hit it too.
Yeah,
Everywhere he goes, does he have to show his card that he's part of the reserve?
no,
Oh wait, he is on the reserve. There's no tax anyways.
yeah,
My question is so stupid. But when he comes here, does he have to show anything?
yeah, of course, everywhere.
What a perk.
Yeah, it's either him or his kids. I think he said his kids are the last generation.
That's what I told him. He told me no. It's supposed to be him, by the way.
Yeah, I thought it was him too. Justin kept saying it's his kids. I'm like, bro, isn't it him?
But I asked Damon. Damon told me no, it doesn't work like that. Damon told me as long as you have a parent from there, you're fine. It's like his kid will be fine. But if his kid lives on the reserve, his other kid will be fine. Maybe it's for the people who relocate.
Yeah, I don't know.
What a perk. You're buying a home at 500K, there's no tax on it. You're buying a car at 100K, you're not paying like $20,000 worth of tax.
Yeah, it's actually such a glitch.
Yeah, at the end of your life, you probably saved over like 200K in taxes in your entire life.
More than that,
Every time
especially
you
if you have
eat, every
money.
time you do an activity. Yeah, exactly.
I don't even think you have income tax. Do
Car,
you?
house, everything. No, he has no tax.
Yeah, so bro, you're saving a lot more than 200,000.
Income for him, I have no idea. I think he does.
For sure. Zero income tax. I'm not just talking about income too. You're talking about in general. Bro, food, groceries, cars, bills. Bro, a mortgage, the interest, you buy a house, no tax on the house, no property tax. All these things, it adds up fast.
Okay, I found it. Here you go. Not everyone living on the reserve pays income tax. It says individuals registered with Indian status do not pay federal or provincial income tax on income earned or situated on a reserve. So if he's on the
Yeah,
reserve making money, he's fine, which he is for the most part. However, income earned off reserve or by individuals without Indian. Okay, so if you're off the reserve making money, you're paying. But anything earned within those walls, you're fine.
yeah, which makes sense.
That's insane. Now that's insane. I take back the 200K. Damon's probably saving like 300K a year.
No, not a year.
Not a year, do the math. When you make over 300K in Canada, don't they take like 49%, 51%?
150 here in Canada, yeah.
Okay, there you go.
How did you get that amount doubled in your head?
I said how much he saves on tax a year. What did I say? Two,
Yeah,
300K?
yeah, you said
There you
300K.
go, half. How much does he make a year? Do you know?
No, no one knows. You don't know either. So how are you guessing he's saving $300,000 in taxes?
But if the guy already has over $1 million worth in cars, you don't think he's making over 200K a year? I think it'd be a
Million
proper
dollars
assumption.
worth in cars?
Yep. Okay, 600K worth in cars. Bro, he has a McLaren. He has
Yeah,
two
but you don't need
Dodge
to have
Demons.
600,000 to have $600,000 worth in cars either.
No, I was just
Even, but I
making an
don't think
assumption.
he's probably leasing them too. Some of them or most of them. But whatever, it doesn't matter. He's saving a lot of money in tax. What a glitch. Insane. Here you make 100K, you're keeping what? 60, I think? 63? There you make 100K, you're keeping 100K. You have an extra $40,000 in your pocket at the end of the year. That's crazy.
It's crazy how they got that, but no one else around the world got anything when they got completely wiped or pushed down in a corner in their own place, you know? Crazy.
Better negotiators.
What a candle. Okay, bro, get this phone in this house. Stop ringing. Holy shit.
Oh, I think we could go play pickle tonight. Doesn't look like it's raining.
Why, you don't have anything at 8 p.m. tonight?
Oh my. Bro. Me no. You yeah. Oh my god.
Yeah, that's a big candle. Chat, we should figure out a game that we can play versus each other while we're waiting for our setup to happen. We should get a third monitor and we should start playing games against each other. For the people who take like one trade a day.
It depends. You open up a 30. Or not so long.
What?
Not really. No, I already forgot you got
I
7
can't
months
hear you.
lower.
You sound like you're far from your phone.
I am a bit far, yeah.
It sounded like mumbling. I apologize, TA. I was just saying that because I do have a third monitor at home. It's not a great monitor, but I do have a monitor that's at home not being used. It gets long sometimes just staring at your screen for the entire day and finding one setup or finding no setup at all. Wow, I wonder how many people took that inverse. The last one in the. Oh no, it's not. There's another one above it. I don't know. For me, previous week high looks like a clean target. I know you like the data lows. I wonder who took that short. Bro, what? I just realized that Google on my computer is linked to my phone. Because I'm like, I didn't search Odyssey, Naruto, and the new pickleball racket on my computer. It's connected. That's so funny.
That's what we're going for. Data week lows. Data wicket.
Yeah, I have another port me for a third monitor, but I wonder how it works in the back end about the speed and efficiency. I wonder if it gets separated between, or it's like the power consumption is not high enough. I don't know. Mike, if you hear me, stop recommending the playbook by Mike Bellafiore.
That made me laugh because I've heard that before.
Bro, I hate it. I went into one of their things, and the people are right, bro. I don't even think that they're great traders. I think all they do is try to sell courses. Bro, a 2 hour seminar, and for an hour and 20 minutes, they're trying to sell you something. And then they give you like 3 setups or 4 setups, and the 4 setups look so complicated for nothing. They'll give you like a one-to-one setup. Oh, yeah, 60% win rate, or like 54% win rate. Yeah, bro, bug off. And then they'll show you like one, and then they'll tell you again, just for you, just for today, just for you. Instead of $9,000, it'll be
Yeah, I
seven
think I saw
thousand
that.
dollars. If you're smart, you'll grab it. You tell yourself in your life that it's your time and it's meant to be, and they're just trying to sell you the whole time. I'm like, bro, it's supposed to be a trading course. You're supposed to be teaching us, and all he is talking. This is your time. Do you think it's your last shot? Do you want to take your last? Well, take it with us. You deserve that at least. Only for $7,000 instead of eight for today.
Yeah, it's crazy.
It was something stupid like instead of like $22,000, we'll give it to you for $8,000 just for the next 3 days for only a low price of a car. Exactly what TA said. For only the low price of a car. And they were like really trying to sell you. And I just clicked on it because I was curious to see what type of scalping strategies they had because I wanted to look into scalping. And there was nothing there. I didn't even like the logic behind their trades too. Didn't like anything of it. What a waste of my time. It's like going to school and the teacher's trying to sell you a book related to English class when you're in French class for the first 40 minutes of class, and then he gets to the topic for the last 25 minutes he's teaching you French. Fill your swing, SMT.
Well, 10 o'clock already. We haven't really done much. Moving sideways a bit. ES pushing lower near data lows. Then Q far away from it. What else is new?
Wouldn't you like to know, weather boy?
Here comes 10 o'clock.
Benny went short, which makes more sense.
Yeah, for data wick lows and ES is really pushing lower.
Oh, even Tyler went short.
So how do you know what other people are doing?
I go look sometimes in the morning,
And then when I go look, it's bro, your phone, bro.
but you don't hear anything. Everything's muted on mine. I don't even
Yeah,
hear
I
it in
know,
my
that's why I
ears.
don't know how we don't hear it on your phone.
No, you don't, dude. I don't check on my phone. I check on my computer and
I just
everything's
said you don't. I
yeah,
don't hear it from your phone. Yeah, I don't.
yeah. But I'm telling you why. I'm telling you because I don't put sound. Like if I click on a video, there's no sound. I mean, we did take out some sell side, and we can leave that internal high for like tomorrow or Friday as well. We have any, we have a 5 minute, we inverted a 5 minute bearish though, to the long side. We're holding a 3 minute bearish though. Anything on the 15? Soup some highs, look like we're coming back down. What age come from Cat Najo? It's very funny. I really liked what JJ said. Like when there's news, like at 8:30, apparently it's already repriced into price. So like when he sees news, for example, today at 8:30 we had a huge candle and we had a delivery to the upside. Apparently that was already priced in, so that's why he trades a lot of reversions back down.
I don't know. When he talks about, he says that news and like Trump tweets is the only thing that could change fair price. So 830 pushing up is changing fair price. You got to redetermine where fair price is during the day. It stays on no news days that he trades reversions because 930 doesn't move. And he says, well, there's no news, so nothing should change the fair price. So fair price should be 930. But news changes fair price. So right now there should be a new fair price.
Okay.
You don't understand?
No, no, I do understand. I wasn't talking about that. I was talking about the video that I saw. The video I saw, he was saying, for example, when news happens in 8:30, he decides to shoot up on news. He'd rather try to take shorts because he thinks that the news is always priced in beforehand. Like, you know how they say buy the rumor, sell the news? That was
Yeah.
is the video I saw. It was actually a recent video. How he said, "Oh, I passed 15 challenges today and made like $20,000." He said news pushed us up a lot higher, and
Yeah, I
he's
know
like,
exactly what you're talking about, and it's a strong move away from the news opening price. It's the same logic. But he moves his fair price throughout the day all the time. I watch his videos.
"Yeah, that I don't know. I don't know anything about that."
Every time there's a little consolidation and a run away from it, he changes the fair price to the consolidation. Every single time. I watched a lot of his content actually.
Hey, where's the I have them on Switch. There you go. I was gonna say, where's the win streak? I had my MNQ and NQ switched. I was looking at the wrong chart the whole time. TA, what do you do on your spare time? Little consolidation, huh?
Yeah, and it's crazy because normally CPI I find is pretty clean throughout the day in the morning, especially after CPI. I was excited for today, but I don't know what it's doing.
I have a little bearish trend line here. I wouldn't be surprised if we go back down.
Oh, data wick lows are a strong target. I know ES will probably go grab it. ES is drifting lower.
Yo, Ben is son stop placement. Ouais, ça, c'est un God-given talent. Take my life away. Bro, my MNQ and NQ are... Wait, what? I have on Tradevate a green candle followed by a black and a green. On my Tradevate I have
Yeah, I
green,
know.
green, green. And on NQ I have green, green, green with not a swing high. They're all so completely different.
Yeah, I see it too. That's what we needed. Yeah, we're really moving sideways. We should head lower though. That would be the best thing possible. We form some low resistance liquidity or trendline liquidity. We come down, either take data low or form an SMT with data low with ES. And then we can move up. Data lows almost always get taken.
Alright, are we gonna inverse this 3-minute on the way down right here? Yeah, it looks like we're gonna inverse that 3-minute that was just formed. I'm gonna be looking for shorts now. This looks bearish.
Yeah, if you look though, the 10 a.m. candle tapped into an hourly for value gap though. A little bullish one.
Ah, yeah, I see.
Right at the previous day high, I believe, right here. But I'm still expecting lower. Data wick lows are a pretty good target. Just not much speed and follow through right now, so you're consolidating. Wait for one side to be taken. No point to guess which side it's gonna run to now.
It's pretty slow for CPI morning, huh? We're barely going anywhere.
Yeah, and like I said, normally CPI days have pretty clean price action.
It's pretty crappy. The range is getting tighter. We're moving into lower probability territory. Pick a side and queue. Look, now yes is pushing up and Q's gonna what, hesitate? Haven't been so much correlated recently.
Damn, I hope the whole morning isn't like this.
And we'll get movement maybe just a little bit later in the morning.
Yeah, maybe more towards 11 o'clock.
We need to start doing fashion and makeup. Yeah, not in the mood for that one. Yeah, my sister enjoys coming out with videos. Good morning, Kathleen. She's good at it too. Talk about a bearish candle. I don't even know if I like anything here, man.
Yeah, I wouldn't touch anything in this consolidation.
Yeah, it's
I
better
don't
to
even care
avoid
if
it.
it pushes lower or if it pushes up. I would wait for something better. I'd really want us to drop lower, keep all these highs intact. It would be a very good target once you start to form the buy side of the curve.
My balloons are still hanging on. I guess it's harder to escape. I guess the 25 balloons are a lot thicker. Harder for helium to escape.
Harder for helium to escape. Hey, it's Zayden's birthday today, you know?
Oh, I didn't know. I'm gonna go wish him happy birthday. Sent him a voice memo. Bro, look at the range. It's just getting tighter. No continuation whatsoever.
Yeah, I expect price like this on a Monday, no news maybe, but
Such a waiting game. Patience. Nothing much yet, chat. Want to see NQ break out of this range before taking any trades. How much TA for the small price of $8,000?
We came up, let's come right back down.
Mm.
Wow, crazy 9:30 small drop and straight sideways movement for an hour. I'm surprised.
I wonder how long the thing's gonna last tonight.
Even ES, not doing much.
Yeah.
Yeah, because the weather's pretty nice tonight. I believe this, bro, it changes so often.
Well, that's a push. What do you think the average trades taken in a day is for the general population trading on the 1 minute?
I don't know, it depends what concepts you're trading. But as a normal,
Yeah.
just normal day trader, not a scalper, well, probably 1 to 2. Most people take allow themselves 2 trades a day.
Yeah, it says 1 to 5 is the average. Thought it'd be more. I wouldn't be surprised if it comes back down. Whatever the case may be, stay patient, wait for your setup, wait for your rules to be in place, and execute properly. At the end of the day, that's the name of the game. Your job is to sit here, be patient, and collect a reward when the reward presents itself.
Where are we going? Where are we going? Come on, man, just pick a direction already. I don't even care where it goes, just pick. Up, down, up, down, up, down.
Yeah, that's why I always wait till at least 9:45. If you find a beautiful setup between 9:40 and 9:45, take it, why not? But most of the time, I'd rather wait.
There you go.
That's insane.
There you go.
Wow.
What in the world just happened? Yes, took it. Look at it, yes.
Crazy. And Q didn't. Pew! Dad, see how fast I was? Pew! Pew!
So now Q has two data lows. Goodness.
Oui, ils ont tout goûté ce matin. Gotti, Ben, and Tyler. All took a loser. I guess people aren't enjoying CPIAM, huh? Good morning, JC. Sending you a hug. I'm waiting to receive it. I think I got it. Is your blood pressure high? You feel warm. Ha ha ha. So David, now what do you think? You think we're gonna go still get those data lows at 8:30 on NQ or no?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think NQ's still gonna come down now. Take everything lower before heading higher or continuing lower. Like
It makes
actually
more
really
sense because even though that wick took it out, like we barely had any time to run through anything. Anyways, we'll see. If it does, it's gonna go now. That high should be protected high then at 10:33.
What?
No, we have no reason to re-come back up.
Protected high. That's a good one.
TA, be the test subject. Take a short. Take a short, TA. Take a short. Let me know how it goes. Bro, we might even have the same price action the entire morning, huh? We're just going sideways and like not even coming down. We're up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down. Or how Futuresfloor would say it, I am not a licensed professional. Everything I do and say has no influence. Trade at your own risk. Yeah, TA, honestly, it doesn't matter what you say because at the end of the day, you're drunk. I think when you're under the influence, no matter what statement you give, it goes, they throw it right out the window. TA, you might realize that I think maybe without it, you'll trade even better. You don't know until you try it. Power hour will be crazy today. Yeah, maybe the afternoon, but who knows, bro? We can have a complete inside day. We'll see.
Yeah, pretty slow movement.
Yeah, this is not nice at all.
Yeah, it really is just sideways.
But ES took everything though. But what a wick. That wick glitched on Tradeovate. I don't know if you saw it form on Tradeovate.
I have it formed here, but I wasn't looking what it did on TraderVate. I was looking what it was doing on TradingView.
Like I saw it form on TradingView. I looked on Tradeovate. It wasn't even there. And then like 2 seconds later, boop, just appeared. Spawned in. Wow, this is actually insane for CPI. This is crazy. Absolute horrible person.
Bro, I just thought about something so funny when we were with Joe and he said as a joke, "Yeah, just take it, go." The guy took the car and left.
No, but Joe is being serious.
No, he was being serious, but not serious. I was there. It was like a half joke. It was like open to interpretation. That's what it was. It was a 50-50. For me, that's what it felt like. It felt like a 50-50. It felt like if you want to take it, but I'm not really serious, I don't really think you're going to take it. And he took it.
Bro, for me, it really sounded serious.
For real?
Yeah. But still, it was funny as hell.
Yeah, that was funny.
Where's my car?
Where did he go? Oh shit, he went. He's gone. He'll be back. Bro, this price action is doo-doo, chat. It's crazy that this doesn't look too bad at all. It's so scary to take anything here though. Look at the range, we're slowly getting smaller. You're quiet, David?
Yeah, price is not doing much. It's almost 11 o'clock and we haven't moved. That's crazy. On a CPI day. Unbelievable.
This is so crappy. En plus, il y a personne qui me check un matin.
Oh, is 11 o'clock going to give us something or?
Going back down. Yo, what is this, chat? This is so low probability.
Yeah, I wouldn't touch anything unless I get some strong displacement in one end. Either on buy side or sell side. This is horrible.
This is horrible price action. Keep your bullet in your chamber. People must be struggling today, man. Bro, I keep clicking the wrong button when I want to minimize my screen.
We came down. Let's go back up. Bro, just pick a side. My goodness, this is a long consolidation. I didn't think we'd get this morning.
I'll mark this one out. That was a 2 and a close below. I'll mark this out.
Bro, it's not even a trade for me. Just been bouncing back and forth. We're in a time macro right now, so we should move. Should get some movement. Especially the fact that we've consolidated all morning. Wow, what weird price action. We're really not doing anything at all.
Told you we're going lower. Anyways, I'd move my stop to break even now if anybody took it. It's a strong push lower. We should have a continuation. What is ES doing at this time? Nothing much either. my love away. Don't know what to say. Yo, what was that candle? Well, that would have been a break even. What a boring morning, man. Personne check nous, personne check dad, c'est vide. Store's
Everybody
empty.
on vacation. Price action's also terrible. It's 11 o'clock and we haven't even moved. Like, what in the world is going on? Everyone's asleep?
What is this price action? Anybody want to play the game? Guess the bottom. Yeah, my dad's going to the States. Is he gonna be near Omnius? I don't know how close they're gonna be. No, it's completely far actually. It's the opposite part. They won't be seeing each other. Tooroo, tooroo, tooroo. I don't even know where my dad is going. I didn't even ask him actually. Can't let him know your next move, huh? To take my love away. Good morning, Darth. It's going okay. No trade yet this morning. Absolutely bullocks. Trading pretty sideways. No momentum on any side.
So, wow, this is crazy.
Yeah, this is horrible.
It's almost been 2 hours.
Just have to be patient. Nothing else we can do. Bro, what is that on NQ?
What is happening?
Another set of equal highs. What candle is this? 1104. Look how much buy side we're forming though. But again, when do you really want to guess when we're gonna start climbing up and taking them? How many highs we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 6, 7 right now.
Yeah, crappy part is you're not getting any follow through for any of the moves. Every time you break a higher, you break a low, you come right back.
Yeah, and we're in the macro too. To take my love away.
Like, even if a trade looks nice, these conditions are just not it.
Bro, what? Where did that jump come from? But this is like maximum crappy. Where's my computer being so laggy? Do you like that?
Yeah, no, I don't like anything here. I really won't touch nothing. You got a lot of trend line to go grab, but you don't have any SMT, and you're really just bouncing back and forth. Like, what's to tell me over here that this is gonna be the move to throw us higher?
Yeah, no. It'd be a guessing game.
Yeah, it's not worth it. I'd rather preserve my capital than do something, take something like this. Ooh. It's not a trade anyways for me because it took the internal low at 1108. It's not a failure swing for me because it took an internal low. I'm craving KFC for some reason.
Ew. Oh, I saw my first couple people die. It's when the Akatsuki are going from village to village. I saw them take Shuriki or Shiriki, whatever. The fire guy.
Fire guy. I'm not sure what you're talking about.
The guy from the fire village.
I think I know what you're talking about, but I'm not sure. That's the latest episode you saw?
Yeah, and now they moved out to like what all the teams or whatever, and they're just waiting to hear back from Shikamaru's team. What's up, Cheese?
Okay, you got some crazy stuff coming in your episodes.
Yeah, I'm guessing. And
I
I know what's
believe
gonna happen. Yeah, yeah, yeah. No, you're right, because I know starting from episode 91, it becomes fillers again. So like I'm at episode 74 or 5 now, so from 75 to 91 has to be good.
I'm not entirely sure where you are, but I think I know where you are.
Well, Naruto finally stopped the waterfall with his new jutsu. And yeah, they're about to be in the land of fire. Shikamaru, his boss, and the two other guys that went with him.
His boss, you mean his sensei, his team
Yeah.
captain.
hmm
Yeah, so now you know his team, eh? Asuma, captain, Shikamaru, Choji, and what's the
No,
other
it's not
one?
them. They're different. They're in a different team. They didn't go together. The Choji and the girl went with two other different people.
Oh, but normally they're on Shikamaru's team, right?
Yeah, normally, yeah. Shikamaru this time left at his sensei and two random people I've never seen before. Probably two people from the Black Ops team that are elderly. Bro, what's this price action? This price action should be banned. And it's so funny because every single time I see the TikTok of Trump saying, you're going to be so fed up of winning, we're going to win so much, you're going to be tired of winning. The price action of that day is garbage.
Yeah, this is not even worth the trading. It's pure gamble.
What a horrible morning for people. For sure. Chad, I hope you guys are just sitting on your hands and not doing anything.
It's 11 o'clock already. I would have gotten off. It's horrendous.
Doesn't even look sunny today. Every time I look behind me, it looks gray. Somebody has to redraw the sky blue. In our area, I think they've drawn it gray. They're wrong. Yo, what are we doing? What a waste of a morning. Everybody should get a free account today for watching this stupid price action.
No, this price action is actually comedic.
Yeah, it's one of the worst I've seen. I'm happy I didn't touch anything here. Chat, preserve your capital, keep your bullets in the chamber. Maybe in the PM we'll have better price action and we'll be able to catch something. Every time you get a green candle short, every time you get a black candle just long. There's the glitch for today. Look at this. Ándale, ándale, ándale. Yeah, I think CPI cooked a lot of people. To be honest, I'm happy that my trade setups didn't present itself today. It probably would have been low probability. I'm happy that I'm still sitting on my hands today. That's the issue though. Some days it's what you have to do. It's part of the job. Some days you'll get environments like this where the probability of you succeeding is a lot lower. You just gotta be patient and sit on your hands. It's pretty much what it is. Patience. Another SMTs at these lows. We wait.
Bro, oh my goodness. I don't think I've sat through an AM session this bad in months. Like, not this bad.
Yeah, this is pretty horrible. Actually gotta clean my office, man. Got a big mess here. Oh, my papers are such in a mess. Damn. I don't even know the order of it anymore. It's crazy. What did I just do? Whatever. Alright, the rest I could clean up later. Yeah, Chief, it's unfortunate, but this price action is completely horrible. Better to just sit on your hands and wait. Maybe the afternoon will be a little bit better. Zero trades for us taken this morning so far.
I'm surprised price action was actually like this. I thought at least by like 10:30, 11, we'd start to get some clean movement. Hey, maybe PM will bring us some clean movement.
First time PM, huh? Bring back PM. I'd rather AM though. I remember back in the day when PM used to have every single move, I was so cheesed. Let me rephrase. Did I say PM? Did I say that correctly? I remember when PM used to be better. Yeah, it's not doing anything either. More equal lows. Will it ever end? But it's actually gonna continue being choppy forever, huh? So crappy. Yeah, if I was him, I would start playing games as well. There's nothing really here. Look at his disgusting price action. We're such range bounded. Nothing really is happening. It's like a super slow move down. We wait. Nothing else you can do but just watch. It's like a boring movie. Chad, anybody got cooked today in CPI? Anybody tried to take a long or a short and got absolutely cooked in this price action? Looks like we're finally getting some momentum. I went to go look. The new season of Reacher's out about August 12. Ah, it's today, August 12. What a retard. We're August 12 today. Hello, Petra.
Season or one episode?
I have no idea. Let me check.
I feel like Reacher season 2, they came out the full season right away. If I'm not mistaken, I remember. So people could binge watch it.
No, it's weekly.
Yeah.
Yeah. 3 episodes are out, and then it goes weekly. I'm gonna wait. I'll wait till September. Bro, it's like a horror movie. TA, I can't. Even if I win, I don't get the account. So my name is there for nothing. It's against policy. So even if I win, I don't get the accounts because it's against policy. So my name shouldn't even be there. And even if it were, even if I was allowed and it landed on me, everybody in the chat would say it was rigged. Ah, it's rigged. Run it again. It's rigged. Bro, my YouTube is lagging a lot. Alright, chat, I'm gonna call it an AM over here. I'll be back for the PM. I gotta do some cleaning in my office before coming back. I gotta eat lunch and do a couple things. So I'm gonna get off now and I'll be back for 1:15 PM for the power hour. And hopefully we get a little bit more movement than the AM because this is completely... This is like trash. It's like someone's pulling a prank. So I'll let you guys be. Thank you guys for joining. Hopefully your morning wasn't bad at all. If not, we'll try to make it better in the PM. See ya, chat.